name is Nadia Di Valenciano from Barangay Pulangi, Corocon. Hi everyone. Have you noted how our world has changed? Mas mainit ang panahon, mas madalas ang baha at ang dami ng pollution. This is because our environment is suffering, but the truth is meron tayong magagawa. Together we can help protektahan ang nature. Our environment gives us light, area, water, and food. Kung masisira ito, tayo rin ang kinakapektahan. This is why we're making our works now. In goodness, we do not need big action, maliit na hakbang, araw-araw malaking epekto sa kinabukasan. First, records. Plastic use, gumamit ng eco bag at iwasan ang single-use plastic. Second, plastics or even small plants. At home kahit simpleng haliman o malaking tulong sa hangin at kalikasan. Third, save energy and water. Lighting and ilaw kung hindi ginagamit at huwag mag-aksaya ng tubig. And lastly, practice water segregation. Hiwalayin ang nabubulok, recyclable at discard para sa mas malinis na kapaligiran. Kung lahat tayo kikilos, imagine the change of energy and the heart word for a hopes use. The environment is only or home kung ingatan natin siya, ingatan din tayo. So today, let's be responsible. Piliin natin ang tamang gawain. Piliin natin ilagay ang kalikasan. In your name, I believe that together sama-sama tayong kikilos para sa isang malinis at madalat na kinabukasan.